We'll guide you through how to download and install texture packs from Minecraft Bedrock. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. There are lots of different texture packs out there you can go and get, and they're going to go and change how the game goes and looks. Perhaps you're looking for a specific theme like a medieval theme or another. It doesn't matter, we're going to guide you through how you can go about this. So make sure it's full guide and don't skip anything because you may go and miss something that you need to go and know. So without any further ado, let's go and get started. So what we do need to do is just come out of Minecraft for now. And what I'm going to do is just come and close it as well. Here we are on my desktop. So now what we need to do is go and head to a website where we can go and download texture packs or resource packs from. So make sure you keep watching. You may go and have one in mind or a certain pack you want. If you don't worry, we'll guide you through a place where you can go and browse them. So go and open up a web browser of your choice, whether it's Chrome, Microsoft Edge, it doesn't matter. So I'm going to go and use Chrome. Now the site I like to go and get them from is called MCPEDL. There are other sites out there, but this is just the one I use. So we're going to head to it. As you can see, mcpdl.com. So we can then come to it here. Now, what you need to do is you need to come up to the top and you can go and find texture packs and go and click there. And you can go and see the different categories here as well. Now you can start browsing through them. If you look at the top, you can go and choose how they're sort of sorted and listed. I'm going to go and set this to most popular by the month, just so we go and see what's pretty popular right now. Now, what you can do is you can start scrolling through here and you can go and find a pack you want. You're going to see lots of different options here. In this case, I'm going to go and check out this one called Bare Bones. So this is a texture pack with the purpose of bringing your world and the default textures to its bare bones, matching the trailers. This is going to be quite cool. You can read about it, and often with these packs, they're going to go and include a few images. So you can sort of see what you're going to be getting. So you can browse through it, and if you like it, we can get it. In some cases, you may go and see some important information you need to know here. There's nothing too important I've seen, and at the bottom, we've got downloads. So we can go and click on downloads, and we've got this capture here I need to complete. Now go and wait. Just be aware there are going to be ads as well. And if there's a download button, that's going to be for the ad. So I can then press get downloads and I'll see it here. We'll go and get the most up-to-date one. And it's now gone and downloaded. Now what we need to do is open up our downloads. So I'll come to my files at the bottom here, right click on File Explorer and press downloads, or just open it up and you can come to your downloads and we can then go and double click on it. And then Minecraft should go and open. And you can go and see, it will say import started, go and wait. Shortly, it should go and say successfully imported, like so. Now, if it doesn't, try right clicking on it and you can go and hover over open with and press choose another app. And you can find Minecraft in this list and then click always with it selected. Mine was already running though, so I can go and close out of this. And now to go and use it, we can go and press play. You can create a new world or come to an existing one and press the edit button. Scroll down on the left and go and find resource packs and come into available and active. And you can then press activate to the right and it's now activated and you want to go and press play to the left. And here we are, we're now using the packs. This is how it goes and looks. So if you found this useful and you want to see more like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video for more.